Dylan here. In this video I will be showing you how to wire up an RGB LED. If you don't know what's an RGB LED, it stands for red, green, blue light emitting diode. So you've probably heard of an LED before. They're used in a lot of things, light bulbs sometimes. But an RGB LED can display red, green and blue, and red, green and blue, you can mix them together to make any colours you want. So here's the test I did. It displays red, green and blue. I've got buttons set up. For the power source, I'm using 3 volts coming from a microbit with this add-on thing. You could attach the jumper wires to crocodile clips without using the extension, but I've got the extension, so why don't I just use it? So I'm using that. You can use any 3 volt power source, but if you have a microbit at home, I would recommend using that because it's just simply the easiest. And yeah, I'll be showing you how to make this. So if I move that to the side, well, not really to the side, but the things you will need are 7 jumper wires. I've got 6 white, 1 black. If you want it to look neat, use these colours, but you can use any colours you want. You will also need 3 buttons. I'm just using the simple buttons, these ones, but you can use any real buttons. You could, even if you want, use a switch, but you'd have to plug it in, wire it up. And you'll also need a resistor. This resistor I'm using is a yellow, purple and black resistor. I'm not sure if you can see it because my phone doesn't like focusing on things, but no, I can't see it, but yeah, yellow, purple, black, gold are the colours. I have no clue what they mean, but those are the colours on it. You'll need a breadboard. On the other one, I used a tiny breadboard, about half the size of this. If you really want to, and you don't have a small one, you can use a big one, but I'm not going to be using it. It's humongous, and there's no reason why I can't just use this. So, and last of all, you will need the RGB LED itself. So you'll get it with all the pins flat, and there'll be 1 long pin. So with that 1 long pin, bend it outwards like that. You should have 4 pins, and the other ones just separate a wee bit. The smaller ones are red, green and blue. And yeah, that's all you need. So, to start off, grab your breadboard and get your RGB LED and place it so there's a gap. See that? A gap in between each wire from it, and then put this out almost to the end. And then grab your black jumper wire or any others, just anything if you're not doing it colour coordinated, and get black, and don't put it right at the corner in A1, but put it in B1, and once it's in B1, connect it to put it above the ground on your RGB LED. Now we need to put down our 3 buttons. You can put them anywhere, really, if you want to. But I would suggest putting them next to the LED. So just put them, so see they look like they're grabbing something. So make sure they're grabbing it like this. Yeah, and put that down. I'm going to put mine in like that. Give me a second. This one's a bit bent. I'll need to bend it back. While I'm doing that, I'll put the other one down. So you place it so it's like that. That one bent as well. And I dropped the breadboard. Oh well, mistakes happen. I hope my LED's not broken. So, place down your buttons. 1, 2, 3, 3 buttons for red, green and blue. You can use any buttons, really. So I've got 2 down. And now 3 down. So far you'll have this. Now grab your resistor, and I'm going to use pliers to push it in because my ones usually just bend. So these are the pliers I'll be using. Now push it down right next to that black cable and like that. And then do it here. Now, once that's plugged in, once it's plugged in, grab your second jumper wire and put that jumper wire connect it on the same row, so right above the resistor, and put that on your first one here, or no, your second one there, like there. See that? Then grab another one of these and put it underneath the resistor. Right, sorry you can't see, I'll show you. Underneath the resistor, see the white one underneath, and then plug this one into the last one on the button. So you should have that. Grab another jumper wire and put it to the second slot right there of the first one and place it underneath this, like that. So you can see it's starting to come together. Now we only have 3 more to go. I really hope I've wired this up right. So you grab your another jumper wire and right next to the first one, well, not right next to it, but a gap between. See that? You place that and connect that one to the last one. No, connect it to the last. No, the middle one on here. See that? Can't see it very well, but they're connected. Oh, it's blurry. Okay, there. So connect it so it's lined up with the second one of these. Then get your second last jumper wire, put that one right next to the middle pin, and put that one going right to the end. Sorry if it's a bit blurry, just can't focus and do this at the same time. And then with your last jumper wire, put it right next to the second one we have right there. And then grab this and plug it in to there. And hopefully it should work once you add the power. So I'm going to unplug my power from this one. And now attach ground to right at the corner, like that. And then put the positive right next to the ground. And if you press one of the buttons, it should show you the colour. So sorry it's not focused. Now, so that is how you could wire up your RGB LED. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment down below if this video helped you at all, because I'm guessing probably no one's going to watch this video. So thanks for watching. Bye!